Now, for all of you wondering why this wasn't announced, well, I never get the chance to announce something like this. I decided to go in the woods today. And I was just trying to get out and get away. Obviously, I'm out by myself. Nobody around me forever, and I don't think anybody else would want to be in these woods where I'm at. But this has got to stop, guys. I'm on an old logging road. Forest Service or whoever shut down. I'm not even going to get into that at this point in time. But here, I'm going to flip this camera around. Look at this. This is stuff that is down and waiting to be burnt when the next major fire comes along. And I can't tell you, but it goes far back in there, as you can see. You can see I'm on an old road, old logging road. It's real steep down that way. That's straight out from me. That's down. Of course, I decided to get out by myself, hiking down a hill. Found a logging road. Well, this is what's awaiting our firefighters, guys. This right here. You know, I couldn't do this any other way but live and in person to get people's attention. I'm going to try to crawl over some of this here. I'll hold it in phone. This might be an interesting subject here. But, I mean, obviously somebody was out here marking trail or something, but this is just part of what is awaiting our firefighters, people. It will take days, weeks to open roads like this. I mean, this here goes straight out. You can see the ground underneath it down there. It's just laid down from that storm. This is remaining storm damage in areas oh, we don't need to get to that. We don't need to open these roads. Look at this. This is all just down. I mean, I don't even know what to say. This is insanity. You look down there, you can see it's stuff turned up. I don't know if this will let me zoom while I'm in camera mode. Yeah, it will. But there's some more stuff down. Across there, you can see more down. This is what is awaiting our wildland firefighters, guys. Kate Brown and her, let's shut the logging down. Well, guys, look at this. This is what is awaiting our firefighters in the woods. You know, I can scan up through there. I mean, this is the stuff that's awaiting our guys in the woods. They have to fight these fires. You can look there. Try to zoom in on this. You can see that stuff laying down across each other. These ladder fuels, you can see it goes from the ground all the way up into the timber, guys. This is what awaits our firefighters. Mrs. Brown, Oregon Legislature, U.S. Forest Service, BLM, Oregon State Forestry, Weyerhaeuser, all of you, this needs cleaned up. Our firefighters put their lives on the line enough without having to worry about this kind of fuel being on the ground. This is enough. Look at this, guys. It just keeps going, and there's more down. Look at this. This is what our future holds for our firefighters. I know a kid that's 18 years old this year. He wants to follow in his dad's footsteps, fighting wildland fires. He plans on being out there on these crews. So now our future kid that just graduated, guess what? This is what his future holds for him. Blow-ups, everything else. Why? Because of carbon taxes. Let's take the loggers out of the forest. Oh, let's not forget the spotted owl that originally started this for Oregon. Look at this, guys. I'm standing on this stuff. And it goes up as far as I can see. You know, then we start talking about our future. Here lies our future. Kids and firefighters dying. Land being destroyed. Why? Because They're too lazy. And you hearing this? You guys hearing that snap, crackle, and pop? And look at there. That one's laid down, goes all the way through those trees. There's more down through there that's laid down. This, oh my Lord, look at this. On the ground, just waiting to be burnt. Been sitting there for 2 years now. Or no, excuse me, just over a year. But I will bet you that will burn like you wouldn't believe. That one going out there. This is a kindling box, guys. This is a kindling box waiting for our firefighters. Why? Mrs. Brown, Kate Brown, Oregon Democrats, you need to answer for this. Why are you endangering our people's lives? Let's get out here and get this cleaned up. This was an impromptu live, guys. I was out in the middle of the woods. Sorry if it caught everybody by surprise. And those two, well, it says I got two. I'm not even sure who they are at this point. Well, there's 3 that are watching this. Look at this. All of this down. This is what awaits our firefighters, guys. Look at this. Okay, you may not be able to realize it. I'll step down here. So, I am 6 foot tall. I'm holding this at face level. This is what it's awaiting our firefighters and everybody else. And this is all over the place. I can't even get through this hole. I mean, this is... I'm 6 foot tall. This obviously goes higher than me. This is what's awaiting our firefighters when this all happens. And I'm sure once fire hits something like this, it's just not gonna stop. Didn't mean to come out here and just be an ass, but you know, I've seen way too many firefighters die from this stuff. What do you mean by 5, Rodney Chamberlain? I'm not 5 foot tall. Right here is face level with me. This goes up to, well, I'm holding it over my head now. You know, so this is, I just want people to see what we're looking at. This is the kind of stuff that our firefighters are going to have to get through. This is going to put way too many in danger, I think. Well, you guys can hear it snapping underneath me. This is one of those days I don't really enjoy the woods, but I'll get through this. I just wanted everybody to see this. See you later.